Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to change your profile picture on a Steam account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Steam application and make sure that you have already logged in. With this, you can directly land on your homepage of your Steam account. And on the right top corner, you can see your profile. Tap on that and you see this view profile button here. Tap on that. After you do this, you will go to your profile view, and this is where you can see your games, reviews, artwork, screenshots and all. Now here you can see this edit profile button. Tap on that. After you do this, you are able to edit your profile as if how you want your real name to be, or custom URL, location and all. For now, we will be updating our profile picture. So here you can see this avatar option here. You can tap on that, and here you can see that the avatars that are provided by Steam, and you can upload your own as well. So for that, you will need to tap on this upload your avatar button here. Well, tap on that. You can select from your files as well, from your gallery, or take a picture. So I'm gonna take a picture for now. Tap on this tick mark, and here you can see that our image is here ready to be uploaded. Adjust the picture as your preference, and after you do this, click on save button. Now with this, you can see that my profile has been changed. This was it for today guys. I hope you all liked the video, and if the video was helpful for you all, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.